In this video, I demonstrate how you can earn $500 daily with free photos, one of the simplest methods to generate income online. Curious about how it works? We're about to dive in. This is your guide to earning with free photos. Interestingly, only a small fraction of my video viewers are subscribed. So, if you find this video valuable, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. It's free, and you can always opt out later. This way, I can alert you whenever I have a new and innovative strategy to earn money online, allowing you to be among the first to implement it and, naturally, maximize your earnings. You can earn $350 for this photo, $190 for this one, $95 for this one, $500 for this one, and so on. The best part is that you can do this an unlimited number of times because you don't need a camera or to take any pictures yourself. I will provide you with a free tool that allows you to accomplish this in less than a minute. It's a website we've never used before, and people worldwide are making hundreds of thousands of dollars with this website. Before we begin, please let me know in the comments what your preferred payment method is. This way, I can ensure that every video I release is tailored to you. So, please mention your preferred payment method in the comments below. And remember, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around and watch until the end. Let's get started. First and foremost, this is the website where you can complete the work in less than a minute for absolutely free. This is the tool where you can create those photos to earn money using the second website, which I'll share with you shortly. The best part is that you can earn hundreds of dollars with the second website. But before we get to that website, I'll show you how to create those photos. Let's start with how you can create those photos for absolutely free. Simply visit spark.adobe.com. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates that allow you to drag and drop to create professional-looking designs. But what designs can you create with Adobe Spark? Well, you can create social graphics, flyers, logos, videos, banners, posters, slideshows, and YouTube thumbnails. Additionally, you can apply design filters and animations to instantly stand out and create high-quality designs. They also offer features like creating web pages and short videos. But we're only focusing on photos that we can create in less than a minute to instantly share and get paid with the website I'll share with you shortly. The best part is that even if you don't have a laptop or a computer, you can still do this with just your phone because Adobe Spark has a mobile app available for both Android and iOS devices. So even if you're lying in bed with your phone, you can still do this and earn money. All you have to do is visit spark.adobe.com and click on Start Now. This will take you to a page where you can create a free account. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, your Apple account, your email, or your Adobe ID. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be redirected to your new account. Here, you can explore a variety of templates. You have access to numerous graphic designs that are nearly complete. 99% of the work is done for you. All you need to do is modify the text to create your unique design, which could earn you hundreds of dollars. You can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, presentations, slideshows, and much more. A plethora of templates are available for you to create flyers, ebook covers, posters, and more. For instance, if you want to create a flyer design, simply type flyer in the search bar and click search. You'll then see a multitude of flyer templates. These flyers are high quality and pre-made for us. This tool has already created the flyers. All we need to do is change the text. It's straightforward and anyone can do it. Choose the flyer you like, for example, this one here. Click on the flyer and you'll be taken to a page where you can customize it. You can change the text by double-clicking on it and typing whatever you want. You can also modify other elements to make it more professional, such as the colors, font style, and font size. You can customize everything. You can add different shapes, shadows, outlines, and more on the left-hand side. You can choose different templates if you don't like the current one. It's incredibly easy and simple to use because the templates are 99% complete. You just need to change the text and save it to your computer by clicking the download button at the top. This will instantly download a high-quality version of this photo to your computer. That's how simple and easy it is to create designs with Adobe Spark. It takes less than a minute because the templates are 99% complete. If you're enjoying this video, which I put a lot of effort into, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button and make sure you subscribe with notifications on. If we get to 1,000 likes on this video, I'll release a new video next week to show you exactly how to make even more money online doing basic tasks like this from the comfort of your home. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let me introduce you to the website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for the designs you create with Adobe Spark. That website is designcrowd.com. If you're unfamiliar with DesignCrowd, it's the world's leading custom design marketplace. Here, people are selling their logo designs, web designs, flyer designs, graphic designs, and other design services. If we go to the designers section and select graphics designers, we'll see people from all over the world earning money. That's just the flyer design section. There are other categories you can explore, such as brochures designs, poster designs, banner ad designs, book cover designs, Facebook designs, and YouTube designs. To get started with DesignCrowd.com, simply click the register button at the top. Enter your first name and email address, create a password, select I'm a designer, and click continue. Account creation should take less than a minute. Once you're registered and logged into your new account, you can start exploring various jobs. When you find one that suits you, click on it and submit your design. Many of you often ask how to withdraw your earnings from the website, so let me explain. Once you start earning, go to your profile, click on Profile Settings, then on the left side, click Payouts and select Payout Method. This allows you to enter your payment details. That's how you withdraw your earnings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe with notifications so you don't miss any new content. As always, I'll see you in some of the upcoming videos.